Welcome back to this blueprint, Amazon KDP automated income generator for all devices. So in this short video, I'll be walking you through on how you can install the necessary browser, extensions and apps as well. Do you understand my point? So you just have to follow through for you to actually see how to install the necessary browser, the extension and other apps you will need in this business model. So without wasting much time, then let's proceed. So let me just show you the apps you need to install. So if in case you can't hear me well or clearly, you can be able to see them and it will be easier for you to, for you to actually install them. So firstly, you have to install Kiwi browser. Secondly, Canva, you'll be needing that to design. The Kiwi browser is just more like a browser you will need for this business model. Then Canva, I believe most of you already know what is Canva. So you will equally be using that as well. Then Google Doc, you will need that for your book formatting and all that. Then this Zai Archiver, it will be for any file you want to extract and every other thing. So you will equally need all these ones. Then for extensions, you will need DS, Amazon Preview, ANZ's Amazon Solution Expander, KDP, although you will see all these things we will, just have to install them. But if in case you want to actually, see them clearly before you can go ahead to install them, this is more like what I have listed out for you to go ahead and install. Do you understand my point? Then we have next on the list, we have Amazon BSR and Rating Organizer. Predator, all these things have their own functions. Then Predator for made by Amazon. Then keywords everywhere, which is keyword 2. So all these things have their own various functions. So you equally see how to use them. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and install these apps and extensions necessary. Firstly, we have to, download the browser because that is where we be installing all the necessary extensions. So what we have to do is that we have to go to our Play Store. Let me search for my Play Store. Although you already know where your Play Store is. So this is more like a shortcut for me as regards to my own device. So you have to search for Kiwi browser. I believe I have installed Kiwi browser in this my device. But you have to search for it. This first one, not the extension. Just the Kiwi browser. Then you search. You can see the second one. Do you understand my point? The one that have Kiwi browser, then fast and quiet. So this one you have to, install. Although I have already installed my own, that's why it is showing open. So I can simply click on open. It will open the browser. Do you understand my point? Then again, once you must have done installing that, another one on the list, you have to install Canva. Canva is very necessary as well. Then you have to install Canva. Go to your Play Store. If you go to your Play Store, you have to install Canva. Then type in Canva. You can see the Canva design app. So mine will show install. So yours will equally show install. You can see Canva, then design, photo and video. That is it. So you have to give it some time for it to install. It won't take much time. So after that, you can see that my app actually installed. I'll have to open it. You click on open. As simple as that. So after installing Canva, you will probably have to, go back and install. Although I will show you how to register on Canva. It is not hard, but you can just continue the process from here. I have already registered. That's why you actually see it. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook. Anyone you wish to sign up with, it is not hard. So you can continue with your Google. You can also continue with your Facebook account. Anyone at all. You can click on accept Google cookies. Accept all cookies. So after that, I don't want to waste much time here, but if you already know how to sign up, it's not as hard as that. Just a normal process. Then you have to go back to install this Zai Archiver. Then just simply type So the first one you have here, this one you are supposed to install. Let me quickly install it as well. So once you are done, you will have to go ahead to install or to add all the necessary extension. This is for it. This is for just the three apps we need. Then again, finally, the one we have is Google Doc. We need Google Doc for our book formatting. We need it to create our book as well. So we simply search for it. So this one, I have actually installed it in my phone. That's why it is showing updates. So what I just need to do is to just click on update. For yours, it will be install. So what you simply have to do is to click on install, but mine should be update. Let me just quickly update it so that while creating our book, you will see how to use it as well. So once you are done, you can click on open. So this is how it looks like. Although I already have mine, so what I simply have to do now is to go ahead and, install the necessary extensions. Do you understand my point? So now let's go ahead and install the necessary extensions now we need. So we have to go to Kiwi browser. Come to your Kiwi browser. You can easily search it on your apps, like the list of apps you have in your phone. You will see it's Kiwi browser. Then what you simply have to do is to search for Web Store. Search for Web Store. You can see there. You can click the second one, the Web Store extension. It will take you automatically to the web page, or you can click Web Store. Let's just click Web Store. For most persons who don't understand, then you can see Chrome Web Store. That is the first one you are supposed to click on. Then once you click on Chrome Web Store, you change your desktop site. Although you can install the extensions like this, but for if your phone is not on desktop site, just simply click on this three dotted icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then come down to where you have desktop site. You can see it, desktop site. Do you understand my point? You can now click on it to automatically change to desktop site. Do you understand my point? Then look up here where you have this search box, not this Kiwi browser search box, but the page itself. You can see it here where you have search extensions and themes. So you have to search for all the extensions. This is where you have to search for them and install them. It is not hard though, but if you follow the process, you will see how to do it. Then the first one we have on the list, we have DS Amazon Preview. DS Amazon Preview. Then you have to search. Okay, good. Once you arrive at this one, so what you have to do is to tick this second one, I mean to say, this particular one, where you have DS Amazon Preview extended. That is the one you are supposed to select. You click on it. Then look up where you have Add to Chrome. You just simply have to click on that, Add to Chrome. To show up this message, then click OK. So you can see, once you see something like this, remove from Chrome, just know that you have automatically added the extension to your phone. Do you understand my point? Then the next thing you have to do is to search for the second one. The second one is Amazon. Sorry for that. You have the second one, EMZ Suggestion Expander. This is the second one you have to search. Then you can see that first one you have there. That is the one you are supposed to, take. This one. This first one. Then you select Add to Chrome just like that. Click on Add to Chrome. Then click on OK. As simple as that. So you can see, once it have equally added to your phone, it will ask you to register. It will bring you to this particular page. So what you simply have to do is to input your email address, first name, and as well your last name. Then you select KDP books. Where you have what kind of business are you in? Select KDP books. So what let's simply do it though. They have to input my email address, then first name as well. First name, let me use gold, then last name. Let me use Mary. Then you have to select KDP books. Then how did you hear about us? You can say maybe friend or social media. Anyone. So after that, you click on submit where you have submit. So you are done with that one. You have thank you for registering. You can now close this window. So what you simply have to do now is to go back. Let me see if I still have this intact. Come here. But if you don't know how to come back here, what you simply have to do, you can see where I clicked on this particular where you have look up where you have the box icon there. After the plus icon, you can click here. You see where I think, then come to where you have Chrome extension. But if yours is not like this, you simply have to search for web store, go over that process again. But it's not hard. If you know what you're doing, you can see how I arrived at this particular page. Do you understand my point? So what you simply have, the next extension on our list is keywords everywhere, which is the keyword too. Do you understand my point? Just follow me. You will understand what I'm doing. Then you have keywords everywhere. This also will help you while doing your keyword research. Just as that, and you search for it. So this first one, the one you have keywords everywhere, then keyword two, this is the one you are supposed to install. Then click on add to Chrome. So it is not hard though. Just follow the process. You understand. Then again, okay, thank you for installing the keywords everywhere extension. Blah blah blah. Okay, then after you are done, you still click on where you have this. Where you have that, come back to where you have keywords everywhere extensions. Just bring it back to this page. So you can see that the extension have added to your browser. That's why you are having removed from Chrome. So it is not hard though. If you actually want to come back to this page, you can see where I clicked. Look up where you have at the top right corner after the plus icon, this box where you have 7. Click on it, then come check for this page. You click, just click on it. You will equally arrive at this page. Do you understand my point? Or you can go through the process of searching for website, then your Kiwi browser, then come to this page, then start installing the extensions again. Just continue with the next one. Do you understand? Once you see remove from Chrome, just know that that particular extension has been installed in your browser. Then the next one we have is uh KDP KDP slash KDP slash Amazon BSR and keyword research SEO2. So you have to install this one. Let me see if I can see it among these ones. KDP slash. So you have to, there is this particular one I'm looking for. So that's why I don't want to just go ahead and install any one I have there. So I have to search for that one. So Let me check it out. So the next extension you have to install is this one. This Titans Pro, which is Amazon KDP keyword research tool. Do you understand my point? After installing keywords everywhere, do you understand? So just what you have to do is to simply search for Amazon KDP. You can see it in the box there. Amazon KDP keyword research tool. Amazon KDP keyword research tool. Then once you search for it, then you see this first one you have here. This Titans Pro. Amazon KDP keyword research tool. This is the one you are supposed to install. You click on it. Then come to where you have Add to Chrome. Simply click on it as well. Here you have to Chrome. Just click on that icon, that blue box. Then say click on OK. So give it some time for it to, install. Then it will bring you to their page. So once you install that extension, it will bring you to their page. What you simply have to do you understand? It's just for you to register. Just register on their website. So that is what you have to simply do. So what I have to do is just put my email. For yours, it will be your own email. Then any password you want to use. Do you understand my point? Any password at all you want to use. It mustn't be the same password with mine as well. So for yours, it will be any password you want to use. Then click on. Okay, for me, I have already installed this. I think I've already. No. I will have to sign up. Just click on sign up. If you arrive at this page, what you have to do, click on sign up. Look at this place where you have sign up. Click on sign up. But if you already installed these extensions, of which I don't know, or I don't think if you actually install this extension. So what you have to simply do is to click on sign up. Do you understand? Once you click on sign up, you have to sign up with your email address, a password you want to use. Then as well confirm that password. So it is not that hard though. So after that, you now click on sign up. So once you sign up with that browser, you can be able to make. Okay, I have already used this email address before. That's why. So I think this particular extension, I have previously installed it. But there's no problem. For the sake of this video, let me just use another email address. Then you have to sign up. Okay, this one as well I've been taking. Let me just use any random email address. Let me just use anyone at all. Let me see if I get. Any random email address. So for yours, you have to use your email address. Once you are done, you click on sign up. Why are they still showing me that this email address has been taken? Let me try. So for yours, you have to use your email address. Do you understand? So once you input your email address and password, you will sign up. Then you can decide if you want to log in. So you can as well log in to confirm if what you did is correct. Do you understand my point? So it's not that hard. So well, I can simply log in to confirm. For yours, just, input your email address and your password, then click on sign in. Just to confirm if you are actually registered. Do you understand? So that is just it. You are good to go. Then finally, I think the last extension we have should be Amazon BSR and, keyword colorizer.